Please click on the thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you enjoyed my vlog. Bye for now.
Hi everybody, this is John from Old John's Vlogs. I'm in my local park today looking at the bowling greens, and you can see there's lots of work being done there. Here you can see the crown, and we're talking about crown green bowling today. And some crowns, there's 2 or 3 crowns on some greens, and the green they can vary in height too. From the edges to the centre they can go up as much as 14 inches. So it's not an easy game to play. Now there's all sorts of seats here, look, for people to sit under when it's hot. And you can see there's work going off on the green itself. Now this is St. John, just at the edge there is St. John's Walk. You go down St. John's Walk, turn right, and it will lead you into these greens. This is the first of the 2, and I think this, I'm not sure actually if this is one that you could play on all the time and the other one is for matches, but we'll get to know that later when I make some more videos. And I will speak to people, and I will try and get some interviews too, but not everybody wants to interview. You can see that there's an edge in there. Now I'm not right sure what the edging is for. I think if the ball goes over there, into there, you lose a point. Lots of flowers. It was March when I started down here, and it makes for a lovely backdrop. It's peaceful as well, and you can see that the flowers are just coming in at the moment. New buds, look, it's March when I started off. I've been on site 2 or 3 times to get these things. A lot warmer sitting there than it is when you're just on walking around the park. It's a real sun trap. So I think what people will be able to sit there. If they don't want to play bowling, at least they'll be able to sit there and watch bowling. But more of that later. You can see that there's lots of work also being done to cut the edges back and the grass itself. And full marks to the people who have been on this site undertaking to do all the work. Now you can see there's some little holes in those leaves, and I can tell you all about those at a later time, but we're talking about bowling at the moment. And you can see it's quite windy. It's lifting the leaves up, in fact, but I did have several attempts to film these particular things. That was a little bit out of focus, of course. Now if you like my videos, please click on the like button, and that's the thumbs up button, and also the subscribe button. It's completely free. I should talk a bit about the white ball, which is slightly smaller than the rest. It's there's lots and lots of different views about this, but it was thought that it came from the word Latin word called jactus, meaning to cast or to throw. Shakespeare spoke about it once, and in some other contexts it's slightly, they call it jack being something in the context meaning slightly smaller. So there's lots of different arguments there. But anyway, you can see that it's a nice site to visit. So when you're walking down the park, the next time you're walking down the park, have a look round.